Hi, in this video I'm going to go through every step from start to finish for creating a Daz Studio figure, adding animations and morphs, and then exporting the figure and animations and animated morphs into Unreal Engine 5. So the first thing I'm going to do is start up Unreal Engine and create a new project. I'm going to click Games, Blank, leave it on Blueprint, and just click Create. Now I already have DazToUnreal Bridge installed, and if you haven't, then you'll want to watch my other video on how to install the DazToUnreal Bridge. So now that the Unreal Engine 5 project is started, I'm going to go to Edit, Plugins, and let's make sure that DazToUnreal Bridge plugin is enabled, and then we'll restart. And now that it is enabled, I'm going to leave this Unreal Engine project running in the background and start Daz Studio. So let's add in just the Genesis 8 female base figure. And then we'll add in some minimal clothing here. And now File, Send to DazToUnreal, and let's choose Morphs. And I'm going to start over here and remove all the morphs and add them one by one so you can see. Click Genesis 8 female, and I already know which morphs I want that are included in the animation I'm going to use. I'll just go ahead and select those and add them in. So we're going to add in some glute morphs and then some breast morphs. Alright, and now I'm going to add in the JCM morphs here. Add JCMs, I'm going to click arms, legs, torso. And so we have a list of morphs here ready. I'll click accept. Make sure that the export morphs checkbox is enabled and click accept. And now let's switch to Unreal Engine, and it's importing in that Daz Studio figure. So now it's completed the import process. Let's open up this figure and take a look at it. When I double click the figure, you'll see that on this side you have the list of morphs, and if I increase or decrease this, it changes the morph on the body here. So we verified that the morphs work. Let's just verify that this morph works here on this side here. All right. So all of those morphs are working now, and you see that the sliders will modify the mesh. So I'm going to close this out now, and let's go back to Daz Studio, and we're going to add in some animations. And I'm going to be using the Ska Motion Aniblock animation here. And I'm going to use the Spot Body Morphs animation and add that in there. And that will add it into the Animate Light tab. And we'll click play, and you'll see that it uses several morph animations as well. So in order to get this into DazToUnreal, we need to right-click here and select Bake Studio Keyframes. Select Yes. And now that you'll see that this little tab is moved all the way to the end here. If you click Timeline, it now has keyframes in here. And now if I click Genesis 8 and select Parameters here, and click Current Used, you'll see a list of some morph here. Let's type in glute. And so these are the two glute morphs. And if I click this keyframe and just scrub along here, you'll see that, yes, definitely these morphs are being animated. And we'll do the same with breast. And I'm going to enable hidden here. And yeah, so if I scrub here, we've verified that, yes, these morph controls are being animated as well with each keyframe. All right. So make sure that Genesis 8 female is selected and go to File, Send to DazToUnreal. And this time I changed this to Animation. Leave Morphs Enabled and click Accept. Click OK and switch back to Unreal Engine, and it's now added in a new animation icon. If I go back to my Daz Studio Figure here, Genesis 8 female, and double click that skeletal mesh, here we see the morphs on the side again. But if we go up to Preview Animation and we click that new animation sequence that we've just added, you see that it's animating, and you see that the morphs are in fact moving. And I can pause this and scrub along, and you see that the morph targets are animating and the mesh is animating. And we'll switch to wireframe mode here. Zoom in a little bit. And we'll switch down to 0.25. If we click play, we see yes, the vertices are in fact moving along with the morph. Alright, so that's it for this animation or this video showing how to get Daz Studio animations and animated morphs into Unreal Engine. Hope this helps someone. Thanks. Bye.